Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put the s go to the right and e to the power of negative y we put on the left. Next, this one we can put into e to the power of y dy because this is about the power negative, so we can put this one on numerator. That's why you got about the positive. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate about this one first. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, I will put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. First derivative of s square, we have 2s. First derivative of number 3, this is about the constant, so you have the s. Because first derivative of number 3, that's about 0. That's why we don't have the number in here. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So, about the square root, we change by u. S ds, we change by u du. So we simplify and you got about du. The integration of du, you got about u. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of e to the power of y, you got about 2e to the power of y. Now we have the conditions. When s equals to number 1, y equals to number 0. So we put number 1 and number 0 in here to find the value of c. So e to the power of 0, you got about number 1. 1 square plus 3, you got about number 4. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. So 2 minus 2, you got about 0. So c equals to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we put c equals to number 0 on here. And we simplify. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.